Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little tip to help Windows 10 users that are on Microsoft Edge. You have a way of fixing Microsoft Edge if you got some problems. I had a few people saying that they have Microsoft Edge installed. They've been using it for a while, and they are wondering if there's a way to fix it when it doesn't work right. It could be an add-on that you have, on Edge that doesn't makes the browser kind of behave weird. It could be any types of settings that have changed. So two things to try. If your Microsoft Edge browser is kind of broken, go into your settings, go into apps. Here in the list of apps, you will go to Microsoft Edge, which will be in the list, of course. Here it is, Microsoft Edge. Here you have advanced options. Two options will be offered to you. The first one to try is repair. Repair doesn't affect the data, so it means it will try to just fix the app itself, but your login information, the saved websites and stuff that you might have, your saved passwords and automated process will all stay there. It won't be affected. That's the first one to try. So once you click the repair button, when it's done, there's going to be a little check mark in front of repair. So just click your Edge browser and see if it works when you click the repair button. If it doesn't, or crashes, or still has some weird issues, then there's the second option, will be reset. Reset is a little more, it's deeper. And basically what happens is a lot of the data that you have, your browsing history, saved favorites, and tabs that you set aside, settings for some websites, cookies, passwords for some websites. All of that is going to basically be removed for a lot of it. So there are some things that might be there, but a lot of it could be gone. So that's really the drastic last resort repair option. So you can reset the app. This one might actually work. It will remove the add-ons you might have had installed. It really will actually put Microsoft Edge kind of at its basic functionality, like when you install Windows 10 for the first time. So two options to try: repair and reset, and hopefully this will be something that you'll be able to do and fix Microsoft Edge. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.